Hi guys, I took a trade on Bitcoin and my stop loss got hit. Right, so on the weekly time frame, you can see that buy side has been swept, right, and I was expecting price to hit towards sell side. So we must see a bullish bearish change of character to the downside. Right, so if that would happen, this would be a 1:30 trade, which would make me $600. Right, so on the daily time frame, you can't really tell whether it's bullish or bearish, right? Only 4 hours. On 4 hours, we can roughly tell that it's bearish because price broke the last low, right? The body candle close. So um, this bearish only 1 hour or so broke below this last low, right? Should be the same one. Okay, so it's bearish, right? So I was on the 1 hour time frame. Then I identified this support level, right? This support level right here, and so following my trading plan, right here. Right, so firstly, we identify presence of a liquidity sweep. So here there is a buy side liquidity sweep right here. Let's see buy side liquidity sweep inside this 1 hour bearish level gap, right? Then afterwards, we wait for a mitigation of opposing imbalances. So in this case, it's any bullish imbalances. So there isn't on the low time frames also. So next one is to wait for a change of character. So on the 5 or 15 minute, so we hit to the 15 minute, right? So on the 15 minute is clearer, right? You can see that there's an obvious buy side sweep. Price head downwards to do a change of character below this low, right? Or the change of character can be below the last low, probably right here too, right? So anyways, after change of character, we wait for a creation of a newly formed fair value gap. So price headed upwards, right? And when price came downwards to create the change of character with your body candle close, it created a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, right? Alongside the 15-minute bearish order block. So as price hits up, it also created a 5-minute very bullish fair value gap. So of course we have to wait for it to be mitigated, right? So heading to the 5 minutes, right? You can see that, right? You can see that as price hits up, it created the 5-minute bullish fair value gap, came down and mitigated. So when price came up, I looked for an inverse of the 5-minute bullish fair value gap to take my entry, right? And of course I got stopped out. So yeah, so right here, wait for retest. So price came down and then came up. So I saw from my previous trades that sometimes the 15-minute bearish fair value gap wouldn't hold, but the order block will hold. Right? So in fact, the order block did hold. Right? During the feed level, it held, right? Because it's below the 50% level. It didn't close above it. Right? For this amount of time. Right? For this 8 bars, 9 bars actually. It didn't close above the 50% of the 15-minute bearish order block. Right? So as price comes up, there was a retest of it, and then we break this opposing imbalance. So as we came up, I looked for a sell position. So in 1 minute, you can see that on the 1 minute we should have a 1 minute change of character to the downside. So when price broke, there's a change of character, right? And then we retested a change of character, right? You can enter here, but obviously price hit it all the way upwards. So I realized, right, when the placement of stop loss does not really matter if your analysis is pretty concise and accurate, right? So I placed my stop loss here at at only this small portion, and my TP is really large, right? Because if it goes in my direction, most likely my stop loss won't be taken out, right? But yeah, but because I used to put my stop loss on like pretty big, But now that I realize if price just comes up and comes very near to the stop loss, right, most likely it's gonna be taken out already, and your bias will be wrong already. So in this case, my bias was wrong, Right, so I guess price, okay, firstly is, where is it? Okay, firstly I guess is, okay, I did not wait for the 5 minute bearish change of character. Alright, so now we're on the 5 minute, right? This price comes up and comes down, it did not break the last low with your body candle close, right? So I relied on the 5 minute bullish Travis gap, not the closure, which I guess is fine, because eventually we tried to find a 1 minute change of character to the downside, which is okay too. Right, so this is just a small issue. The main issue I guess is looking at the bigger picture. Right? Maybe our change of character should have been here. And we should have played it safer. Right. So as you can see, right? Okay, as you can see. Okay, zoom to the larger time frame. To the 1 hour time frame. Right. So you can see price sweat, buy side, and here at the bottom, price sweat, sell side. So it's just a sweep, right? It is just a sweep. Price just came down to sweep this liquidity before going all the way up, right? So it's just doing its job of sweeping. So if we were to actually expect price to come downwards, we have to, if for price to break with your body candle close, create a 15-minute bearish fair gap overlapping this change of character, right? Then you'll be a run on liquidity and not a sweep, right? So in this case, it's a sweep, right? Price sweat, then came up, and in the process of coming up, it created a 15-minute bullish fair value gap here, right? And then yeah, price just pumped all the way upwards, so it was a sweep instead, right? So yeah, yes, we have to not really completely rely on the support. The support is a very very ambiguous level, right? Right, this support is like such a huge area from 96.2 to 95.8, which is really big. So can we rely on the support to tell whether we are really gonna break downwards, right? Because I saw right here there's only wicks below the support that I drew, yeah, that I drew, but there's this body cannot close, so I expect the price to hit downwards. So this shouldn't be the case. Shouldn't assume, because this support is drawn by me, right? So it could be not accurate, and yeah, this will happen in this case. So we should look at the candles instead, right, and see the immediate price action.